Hey guys, it's your girl A Marie from A Marie Lace Wigs. Remember the jeans I got from Lovely Wholesaler? These. So I actually purchased a better quality jeans, which is these jeans. And these is a much better quality, but now I'm starting to rip them up. So you got two options. Like if I use the razor blade, I notice I get a lot more friction. But I just take the jeans and turn them this way, and I'm taking the razor blade, and try not to cut your hand, and I take it, the razor blade, and stick it through and cut down, and I'm slicing into them like that. And then after that, I'm going to actually put them in the washing machine, because that's going to give me the biggest fray that I need. So you can either do it with scissors or the razor blade. I think the razor blade give me a little bit more jagged edges. So I am getting the jeans together. Or if you want to go quicker, just take them, fold it down like that, and you're going to take the scissors and snip, 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 snip. Try not to cut the pocket, guys. So when you get right there, just stop. So, and then guys, you take the jeans and put them in a washing machine. And then if you want the bleach effect, you put the bleach effect. So just take it like this, the front of the jeans, and lay it flat and start cutting. And then the next step will be I put them in a washing machine and let them fray, guys. And then I'm going to design some pearls. I don't know if it's going to go on this or the next one. So just wanted to bring a lot of the stuff that I'm working on to you guys' attention. So thank you guys so much, and God bless, guys. See you later. Guys, so this is the follow-up with those jeans, and these ones I like 10 times better. They're much a greater quality than the other jeans that I had from the Lovely Wholesalers. So if you guys see, I split it with that razor, and I put them in the washing machine, guys. I put them in the washing machine, and it gave me the nice fringes that I need. And guys, this is the bra that I made in the other video. And not saying that I would mix this top up with it. I just grabbed any top that I find, because we're focusing on the jeans. But remember that elastic bra I made? So if you guys got a crop top and you wanted to show off those elastic bras that you made, you could just pull the shirt a little bit, and then you can have the ability to show off some of this bra. I particularly would wear this shirt with this. This is a shirt I made to go with some leggings. But I just wanted to kind of, you know, that bra that I just made in a previous video, just kind of show. But guys, y'all can fringe your jeans and keep the cuts close together, and it'll give you that. And these look more like the Angel Brink style versus these ones in the low quality. So if you guys see how these look, very low quality. So remember, this came from the Lovely Wholesaler. So if y'all see those jeans and it got the Angel Brink model on it, this is what y'all gonna get. And I actually dyed the bottom to make it look like something, but you're not gonna get the good quality of jeans. So the jeans on the Lovely Wholesalers is a no-go, but these is a pair of jeans that I purchased from Marshall's, and I like these better. They are a better fit. So thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, guys, God bless. And you guys have an awesome day and make some awesome projects. Okay, guys? Over and out.